this question is half whole number, half average. Now they say that Kayla bought 4 books and 1 file for a total of this much. They said the cost of the file was 15.20 less than the average cost of each book. Okay, so if it's 15.20 less than the cost of each book, right, just go and draw. Just go and draw the model. 1 book, 2 book, 3 book, 4 book, 1 file. Okay, and this 1 file is $15.20. Okay, and the total here will be $72.55. Okay, they ask you to find the cost of the file. Very simple, right? You take 72.55 minus away 15.20, minus away 15.20, minus away 15.20, minus away 15.20, and then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first of all, you're going to find this one. 4 multiplied by 15.20. So 4 multiplied by 15.20, what will we get? We will get 60.8. Okay, so we take 72.5 minus away 60.8. So 72.55 minus away 60.8. So what will that give us? 11.75. Then take 11.75 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 11.75 divided by 5. Divided by 5. 1.35. Okay, you may be wondering why this question is under one of the more difficult ones. Is because some students will actually be very confused about the average cost over here. They will feel as if that, oh my god, I need to do something, I need to find the total cost or whatever because they say the average. No, sometimes they just trick you. They put the average cost right just to tell you to make this question a little bit easier for you. Okay, done.